Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility and choosing a lawful path. Check your device OS and the minimum requirements, then sign in to an Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication for security. Once done, back up your device and turn on iCloud Sync for contacts, notes, and settings so data flows where needed. Make sure to use officially supported apps or web services when possible, because attempting unsupported hacks risks bricking the device and voiding warranties. Next, focus on practical, supported pathways to get similar intelligence features. Install official Apple companion apps when available or use iCloud. Com to access sync data through a browser. Alternatively, choose reputable third-party AI and assistant apps that can integrate with contacts, calendars, and notes. Grant only necessary permissions. Once set up, fine-tune sync frequency and privacy controls so the assistant can query your data without overexposure. This approach finish by testing and validating the experience. Run sample queries, check results, and confirm that sync data appears correctly. If features behave erratically, update the OS and apps, then restart the device to clear transient issues. Make sure permissions and network settings allow background syncing. If problems persist, contact Apple support or the third-party app developer for guidance instead of attempting unsupported modifications. That keeps your warranty intact and gives you safe, reliable paths forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.